Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Mac OS is up to date because game features appear only in recent releases. Once done, close unnecessary apps to free resources. This reduces conflicts. Next, open System Settings on older Macs that read System Preferences and navigate straight to the relevant section. You do this now so you're in the right place for the next steps. Make sure your Mac is connected to power if it's a laptop, because performance options may change on battery. You now locate game mode, typically under Battery, Focus, or Accessibility depending on your Mac OS. Toggle game mode on. Do this to prioritize CPU and GPU for your game, which reduces stutter. If options appear for GPU switching, network priority, or notifications, enable them to minimize interruptions and packet loss. Next, add your game to any app-specific list so the system applies optimizations only when needed. This preserves battery and keeps performance focused during play. You finish by launching the game and observing FPS, responsiveness, and temperatures, because real behavior confirms settings worked. If performance lags, make incremental adjustments to graphics or power preferences and test again. Once satisfied, lock those settings for future sessions. If things go wrong, try a restart first. If that fails, reset NVRAM, update Mac OS and drivers, and verify the game is excluded from unnecessary security restrictions. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.